let's get to cooking. So, I've been craving some gumbo, and I'm going to cook it myself. I'm not from New Orleans, but I love the Saints. So, we gotta cut up the trifecta. So I got the, so we're just gonna, so now, got the onion. It's getting in my eyes. It's getting in my eyes. Okay. My eyes are like actually on fire right now. I think I cut the eye of the onion. Okay, I see. Oh my gosh. Then the light blinded me in my belly. Oh my gosh. You guys just got an OF show. What? Gotta cut that up. I seen another way. Hold up. Nah, I kind of did it. Lay it down. Oh, thought I was recording, but I didn't. So I added some jalapenos and I got some garlic on the bottom of it. So I got garlic and jalapenos. There go the garlic right there. So then, got the dewy sausage. Gotta cut that up easily. Bow, 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 bow. For the shrimp, you're just gonna season it with just a little bit of Old Bay. So, I got some chicken thighs. How we're going to season the chicken thighs, we're gonna add a little of that Cajun Creole seasoning to it. I'm gonna add a little bit of that Old Bay to it. Then I'm gonna add a little of that back in. Oh, there we go. Oh, there we go. Oh, okay, hold up. There we go. Gonna add a little bit of that blackened seasoning. Ooh, ooh. Then just a dash, a few dashes of salt. And now gotta do the other side too. So as the butter now is melted, we're gonna add in our andouille sausage in a bowl. So now we're gonna get we're gonna put our chicken in, let it get some color. To make our roux, you need 1 cup olive oil. I put that in there already. And then you're gonna add 1 cup of flour. And now we're just gonna stir. Just gonna keep stirring. Update, it's turning brown. It's darker. So I hear, when I was doing some of my research, when people are making the seafood gumbo, like pure seafood, this is like the color they want it. But I'm making the chicken sausage gumbo. So this is the perfect consistency, the color we're looking for. It's got it to the great consistency that we're looking for, almost like a chocolate, and I didn't burn it. So now we're gonna add in our Trinity. Let those get coated. So I added the jalapenos and garlic. I'm gonna season it with a little Cajun seasoning. So now we're gonna add in our chicken broth. Our sausage. Mix it up some chicken and add in our chicken. Add back our chicken. Ooh, okay. So it's been simmering for about 20 minutes. how good this looks. Oh my gosh, I might actually be valid. So now you're gonna add your shrimp because it's almost done. So let it simmer for about 25 minutes. I think it's done. The shrimp is done. Yes, sir. Oh, hold up. So it's been settling. Only thing I think with the roux, when I was doing it, instead of cup, I think I made it a little too oily, but that's okay. When it chills, it'll be good. Got the rice. Got it looking good. And now we're gonna pour it up top, baby. Put a little bit of green onions. Look at how good this looks. It's top tier right now. Look at how good this looks. Top tier. Now let's give it a try. Let's see my ballad from New Orleans. I love the Saints too. It's hot. So, I love how I cook the chicken because the chicken literally just melts in your mouth. The season is flavorful. I only had New Orleans gumbo once, but last time I remember, I think it tastes similar to it. It's very flavorful. Oh my God, I'm gonna have to move down to New Orleans. Thank you guys for watching. Keep the vibes good and it eats even better. Peace.